He survived 9 bullets and went on to even win gold for India. This biopic is inspired by the ultimate survivor Murlikant Petkar, a soldier, a boxer, a wrestler.
दुश्मन क्या कर रहे? छोड़ो मुझे, मेरे मुल्क वापस जाना है। मैं डरता नहीं है दुश्मनों से।
हम दुश्मन नहीं है, तुम हिंदुस्तान में हो।
मुरलीकांत पेटकर की कहानी आजाद हिंदुस्तान की कहानी है।
Kartik Aaryan brings Murlikant Petkar to life on screen in what he describes as one of his toughest films. Ever since the release of even the poster of Chandu Champions, it piqued people's interest. In fact, Kartik went from 39% body fat to 7% body fat for his role in this film. The real life story behind Chandu Champions is even more intriguing. Directed by Kabir Khan, the film delves into Petkar's extraordinary journey. From being a ridiculed young boy to a celebrated war hero to India's first Paralympic gold medalist. Born in 1944 in the town of Sangli in Maharashtra, he always dreamed of earning an Olympic gold medal. He received a lot of criticism from his classmates, teachers and parents, and Murli's classmates even called him Chandu. But he was determined to prove them wrong. So in an attempt to hone his skills to represent India at the Olympics, he joins the army. He served in the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers. While in AME, he also competed as a boxer. However, fate took a cruel turn. He was in the Indian Army during the 1965 India-Pakistan war and ended up being severely injured. He sustained 9 bullet wounds and one of the bullets is reportedly still lodged near his spine. He temporarily lost his memory and he was in coma for 2 years. These injuries led to a permanent disability, but even bullets could not stop him. Nothing could deter his spirit. In fact, he took to sports for his recovery. Swimming was a means to rehabilitation. His tough training and relentless pursuit of excellence paid off. Petkar's defining moment came at the 1972 Summer Paralympics in Germany. Competing in the 50-meter freestyle swimming event, he scripted history by winning India's first gold medal at the Paralympics. And not just that, he also set a world record with a time of 37.33 seconds. And guess what? He didn't stop there. Petkar showcased his versatility by competing in the javelin, precision javelin throw and slalom events, reaching the finals in all 3. Murlikant Petkar's story is the story of Free India, the trailer states, and it resonates with the story quite well. Set against the backdrop of India's freedom struggle, his journey also mirrors the nation's fight for independence. He went on to receive numerous accolades and awards throughout his career. Turns out in 1982, his Kensho Arjuna Awards was rejected on grounds of disability. His athletic achievements were also honored with the esteemed Padma Shri Award in 2018, a fitting tribute for his lasting legacy in the Indian sports history. Even Rahul Dravid mentioned Petkar in his book on specially abled athletes. Now, Kartik Aaryan, who portrays Petkar in the film, expressed his admiration for the athlete and said it was an honor to play this role. In fact, his transformation has created quite a buzz.
मुझे आज लड़ने का है सर, हर उस चंदू के लिए जो चैंपियन बनना चाहता है, हर उस चंदू के लिए जो चैंपियन बन सकता है।